Good evening, viewers. Power Sector News Channel wish you a happy Independence Day. Today's headline: Modi's speech on energy independence. Arunachal signs MOU with NEEPCO for hydel projects. SJVN backs Bihar's 200 megawatt solar power project. Coming to the details. Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji addressing nation on 75th Independence Day stressed upon energy independent India. Modi said that the India is not yet energy independent as we are importing energy worth 12 lakh crore rupees annually. Economy of nation is largely dependent on optimum utilization of energy. Power, that is electrical energy, and crude oil are the two important forms of energy which are lifelines of our Indian economy. Let us see what we have achieved and what are our future plans. Our achievements are tremendous when we come to the power sector. We have overcome power shortage and now we are power surplus nation thanks to power generation privatization. Through various schemes like DDU, GJY and IPDS, we have achieved 100% village and household electrification. We have shifted our focus towards clean energy by promoting renewables, especially solar and wind. And very recently we have crossed 100 gigawatt mark of renewables installed capacity. Though we have achieved 100% electrification, we have to strengthen our distribution network to supply quality, reliable and economical power to the consumers. With the target of 450 gigawatt of renewable energy and a likely chance to achieve it will be the greatest challenge for system operators to integrate intermittent renewable energy into the grid. Major push is given to energy storage, both pumped hydro and battery based systems through which renewable energy can be injected into the grid as on when required. For transport, we are still largely dependent on crude oil, which is imported and it contributes significantly towards our energy imports. Indian Railways, the largest transport network of India, is very close to 100% electrification, is a greatest achievement of independent India. And Indian Railways has set itself a target of net zero carbon emitter by 2030. Once achieved would be a much greater achievement. Improved railroad air connectivity is also one of the key achievements of independent India. Reducing imports of crude oil for our transportation needs is major target before us. It not only saves our nation's income but also reduces our carbon footprint. Electric mobility is one of the options to achieve it and FAME policy has given required push for e-mobility. Green hydrogen is another option which has to be explored. Prime Minister today has announced the setting up of National Hydrogen Mission and addressed the nation to make India global hub for green hydrogen. The Arunachal state government signed a memorandum of understanding with Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited for developing two hydroelectric projects. The combined capacity of the project is 210 megawatt. The projects to be developed are 120 megawatt NAFRA and 90 megawatt new Meting hydroelectric projects. With this MOU, the total projects allocated to NEEPCO are 6, with a total installed capacity of 1325 megawatt. Out of 6 projects, the 405 megawatt Ranganadi, the 110 megawatt Pare and 600 megawatt Coming hydropower projects were commissioned in 2002, 2018 and 2020-21 respectively, from which the Arunachal state receives 12% of free power. At least a dozen more hydropower projects with power generating capacity of 7,800 megawatt are in the advanced stage for allotment to NEEPCO, which would bring an investment around 80,000 crores to the state. Bihar Renewable Energy Development Agency floated tender for grid connected solar of 200 megawatt capacity on build own operate basis via reverse auction. SJVN won the tender by quoting 3 rupees 11 paisa per unit. The PPA shall be signed between Bihar Renewable Energy Development Agency and SJVN for 25 years. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 209.10 million units of power for tomorrow cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details, price discovered during night 4 rupees 3 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 58 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 7 rupees 44 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 4 rupees 79 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 76 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.